Hello, everybody. My name is Tristan Poem, and welcome to my main channel here on YouTube. Today, I'm going to show you all the puzzles here on Nickelodeon Jigsaw for the PC. We have a total of 5 of those TV shows of the Jigsaw puzzles. We are Blue's Clues, Dora the Explorer, The Very Odd Parents, Jimmy Neutron Boy Genius, and SpongeBob Squarepants. For this may take some parts which I get done here. So I could do one TV show for the parts. So I'm going to do 5 parts. Will be a good idea, folks. So, the first one will be the first part, which is SpongeBob SquarePants. So, the first one of the SpongeBob SquarePants is Best Pals. You can see with SpongeBob and Patrick Star in the TV series SpongeBob SquarePants. Now, let's put it together, shall we? The first piece that goes right here. And then right here as well as the body. And there we go. Now the first picture puzzle of SpongeBob SquarePants is finished. It's taken about 25 seconds. Now, to save the picture, select Save. There we go. Next stop, which is... what should I do next? What about Field of Dreams? That's a good one. Let's see. I'll put the piece goes right over here. And now the picture of Field of Dreams of a SpongeBob SquarePants puzzle is finished. Okay. The next one I'm going to choose, which is... This must be a short part, will be the last one, which is Undersea Picnic. Along with the picnic with SpongeBob and Sandy. That's 2 of my favorite characters of the SpongeBob SquarePants series. Must be the TV show. Since 1999. Well, folks, I think that's it for the first part of the gameplay of Nickelodeon Jigsaw for the PC. But don't worry, for tomorrow, it's going to be the Jimmy Neutron Boy Genius for part 2. So, stick around for part 2, won't you? For tomorrow.